Most people think they need to make more money to be financially free. But the truth, it's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you already have. Because here's the thing, the people who get rich don't just earn more, they think differently about money. They treat every dollar as an employee. Every dollar has a job, to work, to grow, or to protect. That mindset changes everything. When you start thinking this way, you stop chasing money and start directing it. And that's how wealth is built, quietly, consistently, and strategically. Let's be honest, no one taught us how to manage money. We were told to study hard, get a degree, land a job, and everything else would fall into place. But it doesn't. Because while we're busy earning, we forget to manage. We spend before we save. We swipe before we think. And we chase short-term pleasure instead of long-term peace. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about habits. It's about small, boring, consistent habits that most people ignore. So today, I want to give you the 5 pieces of financial advice that changed everything for me. And that can change everything for you too. Number 1, automate your money. If your money isn't automated, you're leaving it to chance. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid. That move your money into savings or investments before you even touch it. Because let's be real, if you wait to save what's left, there will be nothing left. Pay yourself first. Treat your future self like the most important bill in your life. It sounds simple, but this one shift can make you thousands of dollars richer over time. And more importantly, it'll make you consistent. Automation takes emotion out of the equation. You don't even have to think, stress, or remember. It just happens. And that's what builds wealth. Not motivation, not luck, but systems. Number 2, stop trying to impress people who don't care. So much of what we buy isn't even for us. It's for people we don't even like. We spend money to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. You don't need the latest phone, the trendiest bag, or that brand new car just to prove something. The wealthy play a different game. They use money as a tool, not a trophy. Here's the truth. No one's thinking about you as much as you think. So stop living your financial life for other people's approval. Once you stop trying to impress, you'll find your bank account and your peace of mind both start to grow. Number 3, invest early, but more importantly, invest often. People overcomplicate investing. They think it's about timing the market or picking the right stock. But the real secret is time in the market, not timing it. You don't need to be an expert. Start small, start now, even if it's just $20 a week. Consistency beats perfection every time. And compound growth doesn't care if you're a millionaire or a beginner. It rewards whoever stays in the game the longest. So whether it's a mutual fund, index fund, or even just a savings plan that earns interest, start. Because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Number 4, build an emergency fund, not just a savings account. Most people think their credit card is their backup plan. It's not. It's a trap. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind. It gives you the confidence to say no to things that don't serve you, or even to walk away from a job that drains you. Your emergency fund is freedom disguised as savings. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not about preparing for failure. It's about protecting your future from surprises. Because here's the truth. Everyone has financial storms, but those who prepare stay standing. Number 5, treat money like a relationship. If you ignore it, it'll leave you. If you respect it, it'll grow with you. Most people treat money emotionally. They avoid it when they're scared and overspend when they're excited. But money doesn't respond to emotion. It responds to attention. Check your accounts regularly. Know your numbers. Talk to your money. Seriously, treat it like a friend. Ask yourself, where did you go this week? What did you do for me? Did I waste you or did I grow you? When you build awareness, you build control. And control is where freedom begins. Now let's talk about something deeper, because the best financial advice isn't even about money. It's about values. Money is just a mirror. It shows what you truly care about. If you say family matters, but you spend more on things than on time together, the mirror doesn't lie. If you say you want peace, but you keep living paycheck to paycheck chasing stuff, the mirror doesn't lie. We don't need more money. We need more clarity. Clarity about what matters, what enough looks like, and what kind of life we actually want to build. Because money is just energy, and when you direct that energy with purpose, everything changes. So here's your challenge. Take one financial action this week. Just one. Maybe it's setting up automation. Maybe it's canceling a useless subscription. Maybe it's investing your first $20. It doesn't matter how small. What matters is that you start. Because nothing compounds like action. And one day you'll look back and realize that this small step was the moment that everything began to change. You'll have more peace, more security, and more confidence knowing that you are in control of your money, not the other way around. So remember this. You don't need to make more money. You need to make better decisions with the money you already have. That's the best financial advice you'll ever hear. Start now. Start today. Your future self will thank you for this. Thank you for watching Vectorlog, where we try to bring you the best financial advice you'll ever need. Don't forget to hit the like button, the bell icon, and the subscribe button. And stay tuned for our next videos.